Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that Toyota FJ Cruiser vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The clutch release bearing in 2007 to 2011 models equipped with 6-speed manual transmission tends to get noisy at low mileage. Toyota issued a TSB to solve this problem. The repair involves replacing the bad clutch release bearing along with the clutch release cylinder and the fork support. Number 2. The frame and suspension components in these vehicles tend to rust easily, especially in humid climates. Number 3. The brake calipers are prone to stick and seize, causing rapid and abnormal brake pad wear, and the extreme heat generated by the constant friction tends to warp the brake rotors. Number 4. The exterior paint in these vehicles tends to chip easily. Number 5. The front differential actuator is failure prone. When it malfunctions, it causes the front wheels not to have traction when the vehicle is in four-wheel drive. Number 6. The gears in the rear differential are prone to experience abnormal wear and sometimes complete failure. Number 7. The water pumps are prone to develop coolant leaks before the vehicle reaches 100,000 miles. Number 8. The front wheel bearings are also prone to fail and need to be replaced before 100,000 miles. Number 9. The front inner fenders tend to bulge and crack close to the firewall area. Number 10. The alternators are prone to malfunction. In most cases, the issue is caused by defective diodes. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that Toyota FJ Cruiser vehicles are prone to experience. Take care.